Hello, it's August 28th, day one Lake Champlain vacation. Come out here every year. The family has for the last 15 years. This is the first year I've ever been here. I just woke up, so I look kind of groggy, that's why. And yeah, I'm going to show you around the cabin and show you what I woke up to this morning. This is Hurricane Irene. This is just the beginning. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. It's supposed to get bad at around 8 p.m. Yeah. Alright, buddy, I'm coming. This is the lake itself. I don't know how much you can see through the window. Normally this lake is completely calm. Judge, you said in all of his years of coming here, this is the first time that he's ever seen rolling waves. Trying to block the light on this camera. Well, I'm going to pop a couple seconds shot every hour. And then at 8 o'clock, maybe a little bit earlier, I'm going to go outside and let you see exactly what it's like. See the whole lamp shaking, the water coming in. Wow. Wow. Finally get to come to the lake and and this is what we get, huh, Pop?
Yeah.
That's alright. It's gonna stir all those fish up for tomorrow.